Welcome back to Enda Trading on YouTube. Today's video is called How to Find Stocks to Day Trade. Day Trading Strategy. Okay, so I'm just going to go through some theory first and then I'm going to go through step by step how I find stocks to day trade. Okay, so in day trading, we use a catalyst that will attract volume and cause large spikes in price. Our technique is to use earning reports. We only trade stocks that will release a catalyst that will cause the price of the stock to rise or fall. And in our case, it's going to be earning reports. We buy stocks when there is a good catalyst and take profits when we sell the stock at a higher price. Or we can short a stock when there is a bad catalyst or a bad earning report and buy back or close when the price drops and take the profit. And remember, we only trade when the catalyst is affecting the stock price, okay? Usually within the first hour of trading. Okay, so our strategy is to use US stocks due to the high volumes of trades, okay? So first, we need to search for the catalysts, which is the earning report that companies release every quarter or yearly to report how financials are performing and to attract and inform investors of how the company is doing. So they release their earning reports to show their performance, their financials, to attract new investors or to inform current investors how the company is doing. Traders and investors, especially long term investors, watch out for earning reports to decide if they will invest in a stock. So, what we do, we search Google for NASDAQ earning reports, okay? Because we're going to trade on the NASDAQ. This is my preferred exchange to trade on. So, what we do, we just come to Google and you can type in NASDAQ earning report. And then the first result will come up here, earning calendar. It's NASDAQ's own page. And once let that load up there, and that will show you the earning reports that are going to be released today. So we look for earning reports that will have the pre-market before the stock market opens. So we want to have earning reports are going to release before the market opens, okay, before the Nasdaq opens in the morning, and they will have a sun symbol beside them. Okay, I'll show you that in a second. But we need to note there's also aftermarket earning reports that will release when the market closes and will have a moon symbol beside them. And there's also stocks that will be releasing earning report but don't have specific time of day for release, and they will have a symbol with a circle and a dash inside, and I'll just show you that now. So you see this sun here, this is pre-market. This means that they're going to release their earning report before the stock market opens, and this is the one we want. This one is aftermarket with the moon. So they're going to release when the market closes. And then this one here with a circle and a dash in this inside of it. This is the don't have a specific time. It could be released anytime during the day. Okay. So in an earning report, we look at what the analyst earning per share forecast is, and if the company reports that they gained or beat the analyst price target for the stock price, and that will cause the rise in value. And I'll show you that in a minute. So if the earning report beat they come out with an earning report that beat analyst expectations, the stock will go up in value. Or oppositely, if the company reports that they missed the analyst expectation price target for earning per share, the stock will drop in value. Okay, and when we're searching the earning calendar, we prefer the highest capital, well-known stocks that will track the most volume of trades. Okay, so what we do, we come here to this earning calendar, and up here at the top, you'll see the largest market cap companies from the largest amount down to lowest here. Okay, so just by looking at this with the sun symbol here, I can see Pfizer is number 2 there and it's 245 billion, 236 million. Okay, so this one here is what I'm going to research today. We're looking for the most well-known companies, so everyone knows Pfizer. T-Mobile would be a good one too, but it's after the market closes. Okay, so I'll not be trading that today. But the best well-known companies that everyone knows, people have emotional attachments to, and they're going to invest in these companies, and they're going to have the most volume of trades. Okay, So that's the one we're going to look at now. And an hour before the stock market opens, we can search Google to find a pre-market earning report of the company we found on the Nasdaq website by searching for in our case, it'd be Pfizer earning report. You can search that into Google, or you can put in the ticker name investor relation page. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to check if the company beat the analyst earning per share and beat analyst expectation on revenue, and all figures look good. Okay. And then we will check the pre-market price if it's in green. Okay, so let's go and do that now. Okay, so we can see here Pfizer Inc. Okay, so what we do is we can just copy that, and you can put in here, paste it into Google, and you can just put in Pfizer Inc. earning reports. Okay, an hour before the market opens. Okay, then I click on the news tab here, and then you scroll down here to see if you can see any snapshot. Okay, here's one here. Okay, Pfizer quarter three earning snapshot. Okay, so this is what the reports just 45 minutes ago, about an hour ago. Okay, so New York Pfizer Inc. today is Tuesday reported third quarter earnings of 815 billion. Okay, the New York-based company said it had profits of 142 dollars per share. Earnings adjusted were 134 per share. So we need to see what the analyst expectation was for these. Okay, so the results surpass Wall Street expectations. The average estimate of 6 analysts surveyed by Sachs Investment Research for their earnings were 108 per share. So they expected to get 108 per share, and Pfizer come out and smashed that, and it had the New York based profits of 142 per share, okay, and adjusted recurring gains of 134 per share. So the beat analyst expectation on earning per share. So that's what we are looking for when we want to go in with a buy position, okay? So it also said we checked the revenue. The drug maker posted revenue of 24.09 billion in this period, which also beat and forecasts of the analysts, okay? And 3 analysts surveyed by Sachs expected 22.41 billion. Okay, so it beat the analysts' expectation. So what they were thinking they were going to come out with, okay, and the analysts said they come out with 22.41 billion, but they beat it by 24.09 billion. So, and also Pfizer expects full earnings in the range of 4.13 to 4.18 per share, okay, with a range of 81 to 82 billion. So, really good scores there, okay. So you can see here that it beat analysts' expectation of earning per share. It got 142, and analysts expected 108, and it also beat on revenue. Okay, so that's great news. So this is the stock we're going to use, and also you want to look for pre-market, okay, to see how it is doing on pre-market. So you just put in Pfizer stock price, and you come here to Google, and you can easily see a chart. You can see here pre-market is up 3%, or up $1.31. Okay, so if your platform allows pre-market trading, you could have bought into this stock when the earning report was released and got this 2.98% profit. Okay, but on the platform I'm using, there's no pre-market, so I'm gonna buy it 2 ways. Okay, so there's 2 ways you can look at this. Okay, so it's up, so it's in the green there, so that's a good sign that it's going to rise up when the market opens, or either rise up and fall again. But also you're looking over the 6 months, or over even the 5 years, and you want to see a stock that's growing, growing, growing for the buy position. But just to make it easy here, you can see the Pfizer jumped the way up here in August, and now it's down. So we have that drop from 13.45% from a high point there in the last 6 months. And if you cut out that high point there, you can see that it's still growing over the last 6 months. Okay, so great opportunity here to buy this stock because it's got room there to grow, and it's come out with the earning report, and the pre-market is up. So my preferred way of doing it now, once I got more experience, was to wait till the market opens and then watch the candles. Okay, so when the market opens, that's when the most volume of trades is. If there's two like red candles, if the red candles are going down, I'll wait, and if it starts growing up the green candles again, I will buy the stock. So I'll wait to see what happens when the market opens. That's my preferred way. So that's what we do when we have a good earning report. Okay, and I'm going to add in the live trading to the end of this video. And remember, we will cover more about buying stocks to day trade and how to find stocks and to short stocks in future tutorials. Okay, so this is going to be the video how to find stocks to day trading strategy, and I'll come back when the market opens and I'll see you then. Okay, so I bought 30 shares of this stock. See here that it dropped 2%. Okay, so if it goes back up to 45, over $45, I'll sell it and I'll be getting like the 2% profit there. So I'm just looking for about 2% every day. So let's see how this does. So 1 to 2% every day and just one trade a day. So you can see why it's so much better to buy the stock and wait for the market to open, because it dropped down there. You could have shorted that because pre-market traders bought it away up, but then they sold when the market opened and it made it drop. So best to wait for the market to open. Okay, and we'll just watch these candles here. 42, 44.28. Just watch these candles here. So you want to be trading in the first hour of the market opening, okay? So we can change it to 2 minutes just to see these bars here. You see all green. This is good volume here. Means all green people are buying. Okay, 44.29. Come over here. It went up there to $13 in profit. So let's see here. So you can see here, we wait until we see here what's going to happen at the start. So there was two small green candles, but then the red, and it's like a dance. Red, 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 green, small green, large red, small green. So you know that's a pattern that's going down. But here oppositely, it's a large green candle, small red one, large green candle, small red one. So it's going in the pattern upwards like that. Okay, guys, 37 in profit. We'll not be greedy and we'll take that. Okay, 37.20 in, and it's only, I think, 40 minutes into the market open. So what we did there, we waited till the market opens and we see it drop down there, and then we bought down there. And we bought it here when it started to recover, and then we went up here and we took the profit. Okay, so just do one trade a day, and that's all you have to do. And we'll just leave it at that, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. Bye.